Hello students, today I am going to explain common emitter configuration here, CE configuration. Diagram you have seen here, NPN transistor and PNP transistor. Two diagram have given. Emitter is the common base connection here. That's why it is named as common emitter configuration. Okay. Now here we will see what is the base current amplification factor. Base current amplification factor is denoted by beta. Okay, so beta is equal to given ratio of change in collector current to the change in base current. This is del IB. That means given beta equal to del IC by del IB. Okay, now we will see that relation between beta and alpha. What is the relation between beta and alpha? A simple relation is exists between beta and alpha. See this equation number 1. Beta is we are getting del IC by del IB. Okay. Now what is alpha? Alpha is equal to del IC by del IE. Okay. Now equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now we know that IE is equal to IB plus IC. We have got this formula before. Now total how to write delta IE. Here also total you take delta IB plus delta IC. Now you interchange this one. Base current you transfer this side. Delta IB then is equal to delta IE minus delta IC. Okay, delta IB just you write inside this one. Then delta IE minus delta IC. Okay, I am just writing this side delta IB. So substitute the value of delta IB in equation 1. What will get? Okay, beta equal to delta IC instead of delta IB. This one have to change. So delta IB we have written what when we write this side delta IE minus delta IC. So put the value of delta IB here. Delta IE minus delta IC. Now dividing the numerator and denominator by delta E. Then what will get? Beta equal to delta IC by delta E and delta E by delta E. Delta IC by delta E are getting cancelled. II1 is left. And this is formula is alpha and delta IC by delta E also alpha. So what will get? Beta is equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. Okay. Now we will see it is clear that if alpha approaches unity, beta approaches infinity. If alpha is equal to 1, see alpha is 1, then 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 divided by 0 is equal to undefined. Yeah. This is not alpha, this is undefined. Okay, infinity. So beta is undefined that time. That means what the current gain in common emitter connection is very high. It is due to this reason the circuit arrangement is used in every case 90-95% of all transistor applications. Okay, so this is your about relation beta and alpha. Sometimes they are asking for 1 mark or 2 marks like this. Okay, now we'll see input characteristics. Input characteristic, the curve between base current IB and the base emitter voltage BEB at constant collector emitter voltage BC will get. Okay, suppose at 10 volt is constant, 1 volt is constant, then you are getting the curve like this. Okay, so there is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. Okay, IB is along your y-axis and VB is along x-axis. You are getting the curve like this. Okay, at BC is constant. Okay, and this is the diagram for your input characteristic. Okay, this is the diagram is given. Okay, curve we are getting like this. And output characteristic to that day I have already explained. Okay, this is okay. Next I am going to another topic. Okay.